Hi, I'm a member of the Freeads team, and I'm going to teach you how to place an ad on our website. So if you want to place an ad, the first thing you need to do is go to the Place a Free Ad button in the top right-hand corner of the homepage, and click that. The next thing you need to do is choose a category for your ad. Now there are two ways to do this. The first way you can do it is if you want to place an ad but you're not quite sure where on the website will be the most suitable place to put it, and you want to find out where other free ads users who are selling similar items have placed their ads. Now you can find out that information by clicking on this box here and typing in any relevant keywords. So say for example you wanted to sell a beagle puppy. If you did, you would type in beagle puppy, and you would choose from the list here the option that makes the most sense. Now, if we're selling a beagle puppy, it makes the most sense to place that ad in the pets category, in the dogs and puppies subcategory, and in beagles. So once we decided that that's the option that makes the most sense, we're going to click that. And we're asked to confirm whether or not that actually is the correct category. So if it is, you're going to click yes, I want to continue placing this ad. If it's not, you're going to click, no, actually, I want to change where I'm going to place my ad. This is the wrong place. So if you click no, you're going to be sent back to the previous page where you can try again. But in this case, this is the correct category, so we're going to click yes. And we're presented with a page where we can start filling in the details of our advert. Now, that's the first way to choose a category. There's a second way. So we're going to go back to the beginning. And the second way is if we already know where in the website we want our ad to go. So going with our previous example, if we're going to be selling a beagle puppy, we know we want that ad to go in the pet section. And we know we want that to go in the dogs and puppies subcategory, so we're going to click that. Now we need to find beagles. So these lists are always in alphabetical order, so it'll be nice and easy for you to find what you're looking for. So you're going to scroll down until you get to beagle and click that. Great, so now we have a form where we can fill in the details of our ad. So the first thing you're going to want to do is check to make sure you are in fact in the right category. So look up here and make sure we're in pets, dogs and puppies, beagle. So we're good to go, so we can start filling in the details of our ad. So we're going to be selling this beagle puppy, so we're going to keep the for sale button pressed. And now we need to choose a price. So we're going to sell our puppy for £250. Now we have the option of choosing a suffix if one makes sense. So say we're going to sell our puppy for £250 or reasonable offer, or £250 no offers. So have a look through this list, and if one of these suffixes is relevant to your ad, pick the one that makes the most sense. If there isn't one, don't worry about it, just go ahead and leave that blank. Now in this case, we're going to do £250 or no offers. Alright, after we set that, we have to start filling in the content of our ad. Now, the form you're looking at when you actually do your own ad may look exactly like this, or you might have slight variations depending on the category that you're going to be in. But basically, all the forms will just ask you to fill in details that are relevant to your ad. So the first thing you need to do is you need to choose a title for your advert. So in this case, we're selling a beagle puppy. And then we need to fill in the body of our ad. So we're going to describe the item we're selling. So our puppy is 12 weeks old, and she is tricolor, and of course very cute. Okay, so you can continue filling in that information as you see fit. Once you're done describing your item, you need to set your location. Now if you're selling a beagle puppy, it's most likely that that puppy is located in your home. So the location you set would be the location of your home. But say for example you were selling something slightly different. Say, for example, you were selling a holiday home. Now, the holiday home is, unless you're really lucky, not going to be located in the same place that you are. So what you want to do here is you want to make sure that the location you set is the location of the actual item you're selling, not necessarily the location where you yourself are physically located. So you're going to press the Set Location button, and you're going to enter your location here. You can either enter the name of your town, or you can enter your postcode. So say this beagle puppy is located in London. So we're going to type London and click Find Location. The next thing you need to do is have a look at this map and make sure the star is on the right place on the map. So in this case, the star is in the correct place. So we're going to press Use this location. And you can see it filled in there. Now you have the option to put in your website if you have one. If you don't have a website, don't worry. Just leave that field blank. The next thing you need to do is tell us if this is a private ad or a trade ad. What the difference is that if you're an individual user, it's going to be a private ad. It's a private sale. If you're a business that's selling multiple items on free ads, then it's going to be a trade ad. So go ahead and click trade ad. Now, don't worry, trade ads are still completely free. There's no additional cost if you're a business who's selling multiple things. So if you're a business, click trade ad. But for us, we're actually a private user. So we're going to click private ad for this case. There we go. So now we have the option to add photos. So if we have any images to add, we can do that now. If we don't have them yet, but you're going to take some pictures later, you can go ahead and log in and add photos to your ad later on. So don't worry if you don't have them yet. But if you do, you want to click on Add Images. And now we need to find the files on our computer. So if you're using a Mac, you're going to press the button that says Choose File. If you're using Windows, you're going to press Browse. So do that. And you're going to find your images. Select one. And you need to upload that picture. So press the upload button. And you can see it there. Now, if you have additional images, you have to go through the same process again. So if you're using a Mac, press Choose File. If you're using Windows, press Browse. Find the image on your computer, select it, and upload. Okay, and you can see both of our images there. Now what you have to do is choose which image you're going to make the primary picture. The primary picture is the first image on your ad. So say, for example, we want this image to be the primary picture. Just go ahead and click that. You'll see that that image is now surrounded by a box with a broken line. That box means that that's the primary image. So if we change our mind and we actually want this to be the primary image, we're going to click that one. And the box is moved to this image. So select whichever image you want to be the primary image. Once you've done so, we're all done, so we can finish uploading. And you can see your images right there. Now you have the option to upgrade your advert. You can upgrade your ad to a premium ad, to a bold ad, or you can leave it as a basic ad. Now, if you upgrade to a premium or a bold ad, what that means is that your ad will be in a special place on the website, and this will increase the chances of you selling your ad. So if you want to upgrade, you can go ahead and do that now. If you don't want to upgrade just yet, don't worry, because you can do it later. So we're not going to upgrade right now. We're going to keep our ad as a basic free ad. So we're going to click No Thanks and continue.